from the ice storm.
Not our mess, the ice storm.
Yeah. So we already started. Like it was like really windy yesterday, and it was like windy yesterday, and it was windy.
So guys, I really kind of messed up there, but yeah, it was really windy and it blew a lot of leaves.
Yeah, and all the like branches were falling off. So yeah, we cut this tree and it knocked down this.
Yeah,
It's really light.
Yeah, we were gonna fix the light so we could play outside in the night, but it kind of failed.
Yeah, so my sister's gonna be using the rake, and we're gonna be using this to pile up
power.
all the leaves. We're gonna pile up all the leaves.
No,
This it's a brushless
It's a
light
blower. It's a blower.
40-volt blower.
But guys, look how strong it is, Dad.
This is how you know it's fully.
Yeah, show them how strong it is.
Look, even you can switch it to modes of how strong it is. So you can switch it to this. Hold on.
If you turn it on,
Mini, or you can switch it to the max. That's what we're gonna be using because the ice storm was pretty max.
so Dad, look at it. Show us it. Show us
Okay.
how strong it is.
You gotta press this turbo button to make it go fast. Here's normal. Now that has water power. Nope, still fully charged. So
Yeah, let's do this.
yeah, let's start up. So are we gonna start in the front yard?
Yeah, we have to finish this one first.
Let's
Backyard first.
start. Piling up top.
So guys, we had an ice storm 1 month ago, I believe.
No,
in
I think
October.
2 weeks ago.
No, I think it was in October.
Oh,
It was
yeah.
before Halloween.
Okay.
But yeah, look at this big mess that it made. We picked up most of the sticks so it would be easier.
Yep.
Great.
Still below.
There's still like a little bit more sticks, but those are tiny sticks.
Yeah.
That
So
needs
we
more
still have to
cleaning.
clean all those mess here.
All
And
that mess.
that's right.
And it's gonna be really hard.
Yes, it is. We already finished.
But we're gonna have lots of time because we're on fall break and we're not gonna be in school for the next other week after fall
Guys,
break.
imagine you have like these two blowers on each side, and then you press the button, and then you just fly in the air to outer space.
It's like a jetpack.
Like this.
Okay, let's get started. Hey, Sammy. Oh, Sammy, he need to fix his shoes. Oh, that's you doing good.
How do I hold it?
Okay, do you want to help Sammy?
Nope, we're not helping.
Yes.
Nope.
You're gonna help.
So guys, so this is our cleanup. This is how much branches we put. This is our area, and that over there is our neighbors.
And look at this leaf I found.
Ooh, looks really good. Yeah.
That's well, we put our trees there.
Yeah, and guys, we cut this bush because there's like snakes gathering and stuff. And then that's our area. And that's there.
Yeah, it's a lot of mess here in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
then we can jump in it.
That's a good idea.
I want to play hide and seek. Okay, we need to pile up the leaves. No. Yeah. Hide and seek. No, we're piling up the leaves.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, guys, stupid things I jump.
Go, Sammy.
Ready to get blown. Can I do it? Blow? Yeah?
This way. This way.
Blow you.
This way.
What? Blow here?
Yeah. You want to help Sammy?
I thought that was gonna try blowing us. They're gonna go get the I'm gonna go get the rake and rake leaves into the leaf pile, and my brother's gonna blow it like he's doing over there. So I'm making a leaf pile so we can jump in it. Okay, so guys, we finished. Look at the gas raked. We raked out the water back, and we set the leftovers. So, it's a leaf pile, so why not? Get them all out! And that should be it for today, because it's getting pretty dark. And so, yeah.
It's finished.
Yep, it's all
Hi, Sammy. Have fun?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Watch this, guys.
Don't do it.
Guys, don't. Okay, guys, if you're actually be doing a leaf pile. Don't do that.
Well, your brother's like under, because you see this part right here? That's really dangerous.
Yes.
And you can get cut in the head like that.
That's right.
So yeah, I recommend you guys trying this and just helping out since there's a lot of leaves. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video.
We're gonna go finish first.
Oh yeah, we have to finish.
You have to finish.
Yeah, so yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna
Let's do it.
water.
Leaves or doing anything.
Yeah, and I hope the coronavirus goes away.
Yes.
Yeah, and I'm so excited for Christmas. We might do a decorating video. We may.
We
Yes.
have make gingerbread houses or cookies.
Yeah, we might do that. So, yeah, I'm so excited for Christmas. I'm so excited. Sammy's playing with our friend over there on the trampoline. Pretty sure you guys saw the trampoline video.
We could show you a short scene of us jumping on the trampoline.
Yes.
Right here. So guys, after we were done jumping on the trampoline with our friend, we are going back to work. So yeah, here's Jad and me cleaning up the leaf pile, put it into a pile so that tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, we can pick it all up and put it in some more bags. So yeah. Okay, you guys. Now the job's done. Now we gotta party! Okay, so guys, we'll see you all next time. Good. Bye. So guys, I hope you really liked this video. We have some short scenes right here of us throwing. Or it's not scenes, but it's pictures. But make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, you like these pictures? Good.